Very
Sorry.
important definition of statistics. Statistical description of data. The word statistics is derived from Latin word status, which actually means study of political state. In Italian, the same meaning is for statistic, statista, and in German, the मतलब same meaning है, लेकिन word use किया जाता है statistic. All these words means political state. Statistic दो form में use होता है, एक होता है singular form. ये है characteristic of small sample. Also, it means in singular form, it also means that the science which deals with principles and methods. The science of statistics, which deals in principles and methods. It can be of collecting the data, analyzing the data. It is of collecting methods of collecting data, analyzing and interpreting. Plural form of statistic is, it is a systematic study of numerical data collected for some specific purposes. The purpose can be the investigation of the particular subject. Now we will define statistics, and before we define, we'll just read out some definitions given by some famous statisticians. Webster ने एक definition दिया है, statistics are plural form of statistics का definition है ये. Statistics are the classified facts representing the condition of the people in a state, especially those facts which can be stated in number or in a table of numbers or in any tabular or classified arrangement. Sicrist ने definition दिया है, by statistics we mean the aggregate of facts affected to a marked extent by multiplicity of causes, numerically expressed, enumerated or estimated according to reasonable standards of accuracy, collected in systematic manner for a predetermined purpose and placed in relation to each other. These are some of the definitions. Boule, A.L. Boule has defined statistics as it may be called a science of counting. Broughton and Cowden has defined statistics may be defined as collection, presentation, analysis and interpretation of numerical data. क्रॉस्टन और काउडन का जो डेफिनेशन है सबसे सिंपल लैंग्वेज का डेफिनेशन है, और इसके पहले जितने भी डेफिनेशन हम लोगों ने स्टडी किए हैं उस सारे डेफिनेशन को बहुत ही सिंपल लैंग्वेज में और कलेक्टिवली बताया है. इसलिए हम लोग जनरली क्रॉस्टन और काउडन का डेफिनेशन स्टडी करते हैं. तो एज पर डिफाइंड बाय Croston and Cowden, statistics is systematic way of collecting presenting analyzing and interpreting the numerical data. So basically we form 4 stages. If we study this the definition properly, statistics is in 4 stages. First stage is collection of and organization of data. Second stage is presentation of data. Third stage is analysis of data, and fourth stage is interpretation of the data. So as per this, we can say statistics has 4 stages. One is collection and organization or classification of data. Second, very important, presentation of data. Third, analysis of data. And fourth, interpretation of data. These are the 4 stages of statistics that we should know very well. और स्टैटिस्टिक्स का मतलब ये भी है कि ये कलेक्शन, ये चारों स्टेजेस जो है ना, एक सिस्टमैटिक और एक गिवन स्टैंडर्ड के हिसाब से होना चाहिए. तो कलेक्शन और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एक सिस्टमैटिक वे से होगा और एक स्टैंडर्ड के हिसाब से होगा. प्रेजेंटेशन गिवन स्टैंडर्ड के हिसाब से होगा. एनालिसिस गिवन फॉर्मूला, और इंटरप्रिटेशन भी उसके भी स्टैंडर्ड्स दिए जाएंगे. तो एक सिस्टमैटिक वे ऑफ स्टडीइंग अ न्यूमेरिकल डेटा इज कॉल्ड एज स्टैटिस्टिक्स. दिस इज व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ स्टैटिस्टिक्स. रस्टन और काउडन का डेफिनेशन जो है वो काफी पॉपुलर है और काफी कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव माना जाता है, क्योंकि पहले के लोगों ने जो भी कोई डेफिनेशन दिया है वो सब कुछ इसमें इन्वॉल्व हो जाता है.